What's up, everybody? In this video, I've got two, count them up, two little unboxings here, both of which were purchased on eBay, one of which I don't own. I've never owned this coin before. I've always wanted to own this coin, and I'm very excited to bust this thing open. So let's not waste any more time. Come on, let's do this thing. Check it out. This is a 1 troy ounce, 999 fine American Eagle. This is a 2006. You can see here on the back, 1 ounce fine silver. And this is a heavily toned American Eagle. Now, what's interesting about this, if you're looking on eBay for coins and you're looking for silver deals on eBay, this is kind of the stuff you want to look for. Sometimes people don't know what they have. And this was actually, I believe it was a typo. I searched for an American Eagle and this came up and it was a newer listing. It was a best offer, buy it now or best offer. Anytime I see buy it now or best offers, I always make the offer. Always make the offer. Unless it's like a steal of a price, you might regret not, jumping on that buy it now price. But for the most part, making an offer is a good deal. So this is a nice little addition to my stack. This might actually be something that I will auction off in the upcoming live shows, which I do every single Wednesday. Now this is the package that I am most excited for. This is a package that I ordered on eBay. Again, very good deal. I don't think the person knew exactly what it was that they had. I don't think that they knew what this was because I got a really good price on it. So let's open this thing up here. Wow, and this came in a nice little case. So let's open this up. You can probably guess what coin it is right now just by looking at the flag there. But take a look at this. The world's first 1 ounce pure silver coin, the Libertad. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Like I said, I've never owned this coin before, a Libertad. I've always wanted one, and the premiums are always high. And this here is very, very cool. This is comes in a little case here, minted 1982 to present. Now this one in particular, the year on this is 1984, boys and girls. A 1984 Libertad. Now, I don't know about you, but the older you go for these Libertads, the harder it is to get them and the more expensive they are. So this is very cool that it came in the little case. Very good deal indeed. Obviously, when you get stuff like this on eBay, the first thing you're going to want to do, take them out of the plastic if you can, which this shouldn't be too difficult to do. You pop open either side of this thing. We should weigh this up, make sure that this is actual real silver, because like with any government coin or any piece of silver, for the most part, they've all been counterfeited before. That doesn't mean that the American Eagle here isn't fake either. We always want to test this stuff and find out. If you have any Libertads, comment down below. Do you like them? Do you love them? Of these two coins, which one do you like the most? I mean, I gotta tell you, I'm a little tired and exhausted of the American Eagle. They don't do it for me anymore. I get it. It's a United States coin. I get it. But for me, it is what it is. Now this is something new and fresh into my stack. I'm curious to know if you have these in your stack. What do you think about them? How do you like them? What do you think when you compare that to the American Eagle? I know the designs are the same with the Mexico ones. They don't change that often here. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys in this video. If you want to see more videos like this, or you want to have a chance at winning items like this, you can come hang out with me every single Wednesday, 7 o'clock Eastern. I do a live show. But that's going to do it, everybody. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and all that fun stuff that goes along with it. But that's it, everybody. I'll talk to you again real soon. Peace out, YouTube.